welcome back. Little update. Yep, see that in a minute. I've been working on the van mostly, which is nearly done. Well, certainly usable. I will do a full walk around when that is done. So, just about to fit this glass to that door. I've tried watching, like YouTube stuff of how to do it, but they're always, I just want 30 seconds, cut here, stick it on like that, but they're not, are they? It's how to fit a glass window, and it's a 45-minute video of them yakking and opening the box. So I'm just going to do what I always do and just wing it. I think I'll just cut around here. Can you see that? I think I just follow that line there. That's what I'm going to do. So I might hole saw here. I don't think it really matters. I don't think you'll see this. Anyway, I might do hole saw in the corner. And then let's just try it. What's the worst it could? Why keep looking at the wrong end? How about that? And look at that end. What's the worst that could happen? Drilled them out, look. Made a right mess, but new hoover. Cut it out, made a right mess, but it seems to come with this trim that's, there you go, I've not cut it out too bad, cleaned it up. Running the trim round, so it should look alright. How's that? And I reckon I just scuff this up, prime it, glue the window on. What do you reckon? Yeah. So, workshop wise, absolute tip. Absolute tip. Absolutely everything I didn't want to happen. But, doesn't matter, I've been busy. So, there is method in here, that's all my tools, car stuff, empty boxes, rubbish, more empty boxes. Things of diesel, flammable cans. So, what I've done, we have put up solar. So it's an asbestos roof, so we weren't going up there. Just winged it, just winged it, and just sort of stuck these bits of wood to the wall, put them in a little angle, no idea what it is, but it's up and it's working. Come in here. It goes, so 4 batteries down there. Look at this table. I got this off my friend. It's like, looks like it's come out of some like 1960s workshop. So we've currently got 4 batteries down here. I don't know what they are, LiPo, something like that. Each 100 amp hour batteries. I think I'm probably going to put another 4 in before these start getting used. Because I'm probably going to want more, aren't I? It goes to this inverter thing, solar inverter, which is currently charging. So it is working. It wasn't working before when the batteries went flat because I hadn't turned it on. But we're all up and running, and we have, don't try this at home, What colour's what? Red is... What's red? Red is... Brown is live? I don't know. Yeah. There you go. Got lights working. So it is giving me 240. I'm supposed to be able to connect to it with Wi-Fi. Can't get that to work. Started putting lights up. But first, this is going to get mounted probably up here. Don't really know what I need to do. Consumer box, I think. I think I need to put like put it on the wall here with like a consumer box, and then I can run thinnish wiring up to the lights on the roof switch, and then I'm going to have a big fat socket for welding. Because I think if I put another 4 batteries on, that's 5,000 watts. So with another load of batteries, I should be able to weld off it. The reason I went for this one is because it has AC in. And if you come with me, ignore all the shite in here, container here, I have my generator, which I put out here because it is quite noisy. So it says, I thought it said silent when I bought it, but it says silenced. So yeah, but I can. You can't really be in there when it's running because it smokes you out. But if we come out back in here, it's not too bad. Like I have that running, charging the batteries. I don't really want it running all the time that I'm welding. So I'd like to be able to just weld off the batteries and then just top it up with that on a winter's day or whatever. Let me go turn that off. I need to hold my breath when I go in there because of the smoke. Yeah, so see the smoke coming out of there. Yeah, it's just a cold start, I think. But I'm probably gonna enclose this. Look at a lot of smoke. Probably gonna enclose that somehow. Try and sound deaden it a little bit better because it's pretty awful. So yeah, dog's in the van. This is what I've been working on. I'm going to do a full tour of that soon when it's finally done and finished. Other than that, not a lot going on. Still empty, pretty much. I think that's it. I don't really know how to end the video, so I'll probably